Hello everyone, Sobble Gamer 2020 here today, and today I'm reacting to the weegee alarm clock.
Hello everyone, it's Mr. Bollocks, and today
We already know who you are.
On weegee alarm clocks. Ring ring.
Oh my fucking god, I feel like I'm going to laugh
You're probably wondering,
my
what is the
ass
difference
off.
between a normal alarm clock and a weegee alarm clock? Well, a weegee alarm clock has a lot more features and can help you out in a lot more ways. So, we're going to take a look at some of the things it can do. It can wake you up if you fall asleep. Ring, ring, wake up. Oh my gosh. Ring,
Holy
ring,
shit.
alarm clock. Not only is it an alarm clock, it is also your own personal assistant. Like if you've seen the thing on mobile phones where you talk to it and it talks back to you, then you can do
Don't
the
you
same
mean
thing.
Siri?
But yes, it's amazing. So, let's take a look at what it can do. But before we start, I have to say, I forgot to say it, you speak to the alarm apple thing on its chest and it will speak back to you. So, let's take a look at what it will say. When is, my package gonna arrive? I don't know. Well, that's very helpful. Tell me a funny joke. Your contacts. Are you gay? I cannot discuss that at this current time. Okay.
Here it comes.
How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? I'll chuck you in the river.
Oh my god!
And more videos coming soon. Da-da-da-da-da-dum. Weegee.
I was laughing so fucking hard I can't even breathe.